At the main screen on the PowerPlick Global, this shows you all items being stored within the unit. D&C instruments, you'll see there's a quantity of 6. Each of the DCS basic instruments, there's a quantity of 1. The entire machine inventory is tracked from this location. At this location, any item, Dr. Zimmerman's equipment, can be manually picked. I could pick a quantity of 1, hit return, and process the item. And the Megamat that carries it has rotated up. And you will see Dr. Zimmerman's 10134 ancillary clips in that location. Everything is picked from an ergonomic position. In this case, it's depth 1.